Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 back again with another video for you guys, so let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to be finishing up the mallet. Now, when I was previously recording it, I forgot to hit the record button. So, made it this far, cut the hole out, cut the baseball bat handle, kind of chiseled away at the end. So, gonna be joining the two together, and sanding just some pen marks that I have there. But the only issue that I had, which kind of upset about, but at the same time, don't really care. First time doing this, but as you can see, huge chunk taken out. Now, when I was chiseling it all to make it somewhat flat. As soon as I reached the end, right around there or so, it just blew apart. So, is what it is. Not too concerned, but still a little unhappy by that. So what I'm gonna do, use my drill press right here with a sander disc attached to it, kind of get all that pen marks off, maybe sand all the edges, just so it's more uniform, and then I'm going to glue it all together. So probably just gonna leave this all continuous, just so I don't have any mishaps like I did the other time I was filming. So should be good. Bring it down just a little bit. Okay, just need to grab a couple more things. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, got my wood glue for after. Safety first. So as you can see, all of the pen marks are gone. So now I'm just gonna smooth all the edges out just a little bit. This is actually working pretty well. What I was using before was my Milwaukee cordless drill and just having the sander in there, but this seems to work a lot better. So, plus I can use two hands, manipulate it a little bit better. So here we go, let's finish this up. So there we go with that. Actually, Probably sand this down too while I'm at it. I have a couple marks from the vise, so just quickly. Okay, that's done. It's gonna look pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do, add a little bit of wood glue into it, just to make the bond a little bit stronger. Take an acid brush, just get all the glue to all the little nicks and crannies. Okay. So now, joining the two together. Voila! There we go. It's a nice amount right there. So, I think I'll probably just leave it like this just until the wood dries, or until the glue dries. And then I'll probably cut the top off, or I might just leave it there. Not quite sure yet, but look at this. Now I kind of modeled it after Thor's hammer, so this is pretty cool. Oh yeah, I like this. So, very pleased with this. Although, have had some errors, but for a first cool woodworking project, very happy with this. I don't really count the workbenches or the drill bit holder really projects per se, but this I'm very pleased with. Feels nice. Glad I used the bat handle, so because I really didn't want to just mess around with trying to make a handle from scratch, but I could have. Overall, really pleased with this. Might put some kind of finish on this just to protect everything, but right now, very pleased with this. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button. Actually, let me fix that. There we go. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, especially if you want to see more videos like this one. Very pleased with this. Yeah, except for that part, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.